5 haircuts that make women over 50 look instantly younger. And no, your stylist will not tell you about all of them. Let me say something that might ruffle a few feathers right from the start. Most women over 50 are walking out of salons with the wrong haircut. Not because their stylist is bad, but because nobody is having the real conversation about what actually works for a mature face. And today on Golden Aura Fashion, we are having that conversation. These are not trendy cuts pulled from a magazine full of 25-year-olds. These are 5 specific, strategic haircuts that quietly rewind time. They lift your features, restore your energy, and give you that glow that makes people say, "What is she doing? She looks amazing." And they cannot quite put their finger on why. A few of these will surprise you. One is making a serious comeback, and the fashion world is obsessed with it right now. And at least one of them, I promise, your stylist will never bring up unless you walk in and specifically ask for it. So pay close attention. Now, before we dive in, I want to ask you something. Where in the world are you watching from right now? Drop your city or your country in the comments below. I read every single comment, and it always makes my day to see how far this Golden Aura community reaches. And if you're not subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button right now, because we talk about the things on this channel that nobody else is willing to say out loud. Alright, let us get into it. Haircut number 1. The collarbone cut with internal layers. Now this one looks simple. Dangerously simple. And that is exactly what makes it brilliant. The length falls right at the collarbone. And I need you to understand why that specific length is so powerful, because it is not accidental. It is not just a random stopping point. The collarbone is what stylists call a sweet spot. It is long enough to feel feminine and give you that elegant, versatile look you love. But it is short enough to remove the heaviness that drags mature features downward. And that downward drag is something a lot of women are dealing with without even realizing it. But here is the real magic of this cut. It is what you cannot see. The outer perimeter looks clean, polished, almost blunt. It gives the illusion of thick, strong, healthy hair. But hidden inside the haircut, layers are carefully and strategically carved in to create lift, movement, and body without ever disturbing that sleek outer line. So from the outside, you look like you simply won the hair lottery. Underneath, that cut is doing serious architectural work on your behalf. Now I want you to pause for just 1 second and think about how many women over 50 are walking around with long, heavy, flat hair that is pulling every feature on their face downward. If that is you right now, do not be ashamed. Most stylists will not tell you this unless you push them. This cut subtly elongates the neck, frames the face without clinging to it, and prevents that flatness that happens when hair gets finer or less dense with age. Instead of visible, choppy layers that make your ends look thin and wispy in a bad way, the structure is hidden. The hair swings. It holds shape. It grows out gracefully. When this cut is done correctly, nobody says, "Oh, I love your haircut." They say, "You look incredible. What is going on with you?" And that is the entire point. If you're already loving this, go ahead and drop a like on this video right now. It truly helps this channel reach more women who need to hear exactly this kind of truth. Haircut number 2. The Mixie. I know what some of you are thinking right now. And I am asking you to hold that thought for just 30 more seconds before you scroll past this one. Because if you dismiss the Mixie, you're going to miss one of the most flattering cuts available to women over 50 right now. The Mixie is a modern hybrid. It blends the clean structure of a pixie cut with just a subtle hint of length from the mullet family. And before you run, I promise this is not the dramatic, rebellious version from your memory. The contemporary Mixie is tailored, refined, and honestly, surprisingly elegant. Here is how it works. The sides are cropped close to create clean, sharp lines around the face. The top stays longer and textured to build height and movement right at the crown, which is exactly where you want it. And at the nape of the neck, There is a soft, gentle extension of length that elongates the neck beautifully without looking disconnected or wild. The silhouette is lifted and airy at the top, sleek through the sides, and perfectly balanced at the back. It creates shape where you want it and removes bulk where you do not. And for mature women, that combination is genuinely powerful. Here is the controversial truth about this cut. Women who are afraid to try it are often the ones who need it the most. As we get older, volume and heaviness tend to settle around the jawline. The Mixie concentrates volume at the crown and draws the eye upward, instantly lifting the face. For fine or thinning hair especially, this cut is a game changer because shorter hair holds its structure. It stands up. It does not collapse. When you go to your stylist, here is exactly what to say. Ask for a soft, wearable Mixie with a subtle nape extension. Tell them you do not want anything exaggerated. Done correctly, it is confident, current, and the kind of cut that makes you look like you know something other women do not. Haircut number 3. The fairy cut. This one is for my women who love softness, who love something that feels almost ethereal and romantic, but still looks intentional and modern. The fairy cut is defined by one signature detail. The ends are cut into ultra-fine, wispy points that almost seem to dissolve into the air. There is no blunt line, no harsh stop. Instead, the hair tapers delicately at the tips, creating a feathery, weightless finish that moves like it has a life of its own. This technique, done through precision point cutting or razor work, can be applied to short styles, bobs, or medium-length cuts. The edges are softened and diffused, so the hair looks airy rather than dense. And the overall effect is luminous, almost like the haircut itself is filtering light around your face. Now here is why this matters so much for women over 50. Thick, blunt ends are doing you no favors. They visually pull the face downward. They emphasize lines and angles that you would rather soften. The fairy cut does the exact opposite. Those whisper light tips catch and reflect light. They create a soft halo effect around your face that adds dimension and warmth, especially if your hair is going gray or silver, where natural shine already becomes part of your beauty story. And before anyone says it in the comments, gray and silver hair with a fairy cut is not giving up. It is giving a masterclass in elegance. And I will die on that hill. Fine or medium hair also appears fuller with this cut because movement creates the illusion of volume. The key is making sure your stylist understands the difference between thinning hair recklessly and creating controlled, intentional delicacy. Those are two very different things. Style it with a light cream, never a stiff spray, and the result is romantic, modern, and effortlessly youthful without looking like you are chasing anything at all. Go ahead and subscribe to Golden Aura Fashion right now if you have not already. We are building something special here for women who refuse to disappear after 50. Haircut number 4. The 90s Voluminous Blowout Cut. Yes, it is back. And no, we are not going back to the stiff, oversprayed helmet hair version of the 90s. This is the elevated, modern interpretation of one of the most glamorous cuts in recent fashion history. And it was made for women like us. This cut is engineered for one thing above all else: volume. Unapologetic, deliberate, gorgeous volume. The length typically sits between the shoulders and the collarbone, giving enough weight to feel luxurious without pulling everything flat. The crown is shaped slightly shorter to encourage natural lift right at the roots. The layers are strategically placed so that every single one supports volume upward and movement outward. The ends are shaped to curve under, or flip out effortlessly. The overall silhouette moves up and out. Never flat, never downward. And here is why that direction matters so deeply for mature women. Volume is one of the strongest visual signals of vitality. When we look at a woman with full, lifted, buoyant hair, something in the human brain registers youth and energy. As hair naturally loses density over time, flat styles do the opposite. They add visual weight to the face and pull everything downward. This cut corrects that. It redistributes weight. It builds structure where it matters most, at the crown and through the mid-lengths, and it creates a balance and softness around the cheeks and jawline that is genuinely transformative. Blow-dried properly, the hair lifts at the roots, expands at the crown, and creates a silhouette that looks alive. Not frozen. Not perfect. Alive and confident and full of energy. Unlike the old versions of this cut, today it is lighter and more touchable. It is less about holding every strand in place and more about that beautiful, effortless movement. You look like the hair just happened to you. And that is the whole goal. Haircut number 5. The French bob. Last but absolutely not least. And honestly, this one might be the most powerful cut on this entire list for women over 50. The French bob lands right at or just above the chin. It is often paired with a soft fringe or light, airy bangs. And what separates it from a traditional bob is something that is honestly hard to define but impossible to miss when you see it. It has attitude.
Quiet, confident, élégant attitude.
The line is slightly blunt, which gives it weight and presence. But it is never rigid or overly structured. It frames the face in a way that draws the eye directly to the cheekbones and jawline, creating definition without harshness. And the length is not accidental. Too long, and it loses its power entirely. Too short, and it becomes severe. When it hits that precise sweet spot right at the jaw, it is effortless and unmistakably chic. Here is what I love most about this cut. It actually looks better when it is not perfectly styled. A little natural bend, a slight imperfection, a bit of texture. All of that only adds to its charm. This is not a high-maintenance cut pretending to be effortless. It is genuinely easy, and it genuinely delivers. The controlled weight at the ends makes fine or thinning hair appear fuller. The shorter length removes the heaviness that drags features downward. It works beautifully on straight to slightly wavy textures and pairs absolutely stunningly with natural gray or softly blended color. Now, I want to say something that might start a conversation in the comments. A lot of women over 50 are told, or they tell themselves, that short hair is giving up, that it is the beginning of disappearing into the background. The French bob proves that is completely and utterly wrong. This cut does not scream for attention. It simply owns every room it walks into, quietly and without apology. And that energy? That is golden aura. And there you have it. 5 haircuts that can subtly, strategically, and beautifully shift the entire way the world sees you, without asking you to erase a single year of who you are or what you have lived. Notice something important about every single cut on this list. Not one of them is about chasing youth desperately. Not one of them is about copying someone half your age or hiding who you are. Every single one of them is about proportion, lift, softness, and intention. Because hair is not decoration. It is architecture. And when it is shaped correctly, it works like the most flattering lighting you have ever stood under. The right length elongates your neck. The right layers restore movement. The right silhouette shifts the entire balance of your face. And the transformation is not loud. It is refined. People may not know exactly what changed, but they will feel it instantly. Now I want to hear from you, and I mean it. Which of these 5 cuts are you bold enough to try? Which one are you saving on your phone right now to show your stylist at your next appointment? And which one do you think is the most controversial? Because I have a feeling this comment section is going to be full of strong opinions, and I am here for every single one of them. Drop your thoughts below. This community is built on real conversations, and your comments genuinely inspire the videos I create here on Golden Aura Fashion. If this video gave you something, Do not keep it to yourself. Share it with a friend who is ready for a fresh start. Pass it along to someone who needs to hear that their best look is not behind them, because it is not. It is waiting right now for the right cut, the right intention, and the right mindset.
And do not stop here.
Keep watching. Keep exploring. Because on Golden Aura Fashion, we believe that after 50, you are not fading. You are glowing. And we're just getting started.